welcome back to another video. In today's video we've got the new February Madam Glam collection. This month's destination is Las Vegas and the name for this collection is the Jackpot Collection. So it's made up of 8 holographic gel polishes. You wait till you see these guys, they are stunning. And the 4 that I have chosen are Eternal, which is this beautiful pink, Holo Lover, which is like a really pretty nude colour, Lovesick, which is a purple, and the last one is Bubble Bath, which is like a really nice pale blue. And I've also been sent the Madam Glam's No White top coat as well, which I really am happy about. I've been dying to try their non-white top coat. Sometimes you need a no wipe top coat, i.e. if I'm sugar and glitter, it's best to use a no wipe top coat, or else if you don't, you're gonna have that tackiness under the glitter. So yeah, I'm really pleased that I've got that. So I'm gonna start off, as I usually do, by giving them a quick swatch. Then we're gonna get on and do a little design using them. So let's take a look at them, shall we? So the first one is Holo Lover. Look at the labels on the bottles. How cool are they? Eee! They are stunning. I can't wait to give these a try. I haven't got any holographic gel polishes. That is a gorgeous nude colour. Look at that. Wow. Look at that. It's so pretty. A lot of you guys know I do like my nude gel polishes. Next one is Eternal. Again, look at the label on that. That is gorgeous. So pretty. Super, super pretty. So this one's like a light pink. They're so creamy as well. I was really expecting them to be quite watery, but they're not. They're super, super creamy. Another gorgeous one. Look at that. Wow. Beautiful. Next one is Bubble Bath. That is beautiful. Look at that colour. I love that. Ooh, it's so pretty. Then last but not least, obviously, being my favourite colour, we've got Lovesick, which is this beautiful purple colour. Look at that. Ooh. Love that. So I'm going to give them a cure for 30 seconds. So while they're quickly curing in the lamp, I just want to let you guys know that's not heard of Madam Glam gel polishes before. All of their gels are vegan, cruelty free, 21 free formula, palm oil free and henna free. So they are really, really good quality gel polishes. For those people that really struggle to find gel polishes that have all different allergies, these are definitely worth giving a try because they're pretty much good for anybody to use. So I'm just going to give these a second coat. I don't really think they need them, to be honest, but I do like to do 2 thin coats in general. Just makes it a little bit more vibrant, I think. Yeah, definitely. Look at that, guys. Wow. Stunning. So I'm just going to go along and give these all a second coat. While that second coat is curing, I just want to quickly take a quick look at this no wipe shiny top coat. It's quite a thick top coat. Can you see that? Yes, quite a thick top coat, which I do like a thick top coat. I just find if the nails are uneven, whether you put stickers on, sequins on, the thicker the top coat, the better it levels the nail out. And again, the non-wipe shiny top coats are 21 free formula, HEMA free, cruelty free, palm oil free and vegan. So I'm just going to give these all a coat of the top coat, and then we will come back and take a look at them. So this is the Madam Glam's Velvet Matte Top Coat. This is my all-time favourite matte top coat. For those of you that has tried a matte top coat before of different brands, you do find they're usually quite cloudy, but this is actually quite clear compared to the some that I've used. And again, it's quite a thick consistency, which I do like. So now I'm just going to run along the bottom half of all the swatch sticks, and then we can take a look at them matte and shiny. So there we are, guys. That is them all swatched. They've all had 2 coats. They've all had a coat of the shiny top coat on the top half and the matte top coat on the bottom half. I actually really like a matte, although it does kind of take the hollow away. Still leaves a really nice look though. But I am a bit biased because I do love matte nails. But look at them shiny. Oh my goodness. Can you see that hollow shining, guys? Wow. They are beautiful. Right, so I'm just going to get set up and then we'll do a little design using them. So I'll be back in a minute. Right, so I'm all set up. So I'm going to start off by applying a coat of Holo Lover. I'm going to do a full coat on the ring finger. And then all these 3 nails I'm going to do like a sliced nail bed, like this. Don't worry about it being neat just yet. We will come back and sort that out before I pop them in the lamp.
We were on the run, rocking around the clock. Now all we need is right here in front of us. In front of us. So can we just slow down?
And this now I'm going to do a full nail of Holo Lover. Now I'm going to go in with my detailer brush. I'm just going to level these, make all these lines straight. I'm going to give them a cure for 30 seconds. So now I'm going to take the other 3 colours and I'm going to apply them on these 3 tips. So this one is Eternal, which is the pink. This one's Bubble Bath, which is the blue. And on the pinky, we're going to do Lovesick, which is my favourite, the purple. We're going to give them a cure for 30 seconds. Right, on this nail, I pulled out these gorgeous star sequins, what the lovely Aggie sent me. And I'm just going to stick them onto this ring finger. Just applying a coat of the Madam Glam's base coat to this nail. I need a very thin layer, you don't need a lot, just a very, very thin layer. Then I'm going to pull these out with my brush. So that's the ring finger done. Now I'm going in with the Madam Glam's No Wipe Shiny Top Coat. I'm going to apply that on all 4 nails. Like I was saying at the beginning of the video, this is why I prefer a thick top coat for times like this. This is going to smooth that nail out so much easier and quicker than a runnier top coat, you know. Now, before I cure those, I just want to add a couple of crystals. Nothing too much, just a couple of itty bitty crystals. Cure that for 30 seconds. So there we are, guys. That is the nails all done. What do you think? Look at that holo. That is absolutely stunning. I'm loving that purple. That is definitely my favourite. They are all super, super pretty. I love them. With this nail, I just give it a bit of a buff and I went in with another coat of top coat. That's just made it nice and smooth, as you can see. Look at that light line. Just as I like it. Nice and smooth. So there we are. What do you think? Let me know your thoughts in the comments, guys. I love to read your comments and know what your thoughts are on the designs, what I do. So like I said at the beginning of the video, this is Madam Glam's new February collection, which is called the Jackpot Collection. So we've got Lovesick, which is this beautiful purple. Holo Lover, which is that beautiful nude. Bubble Bath, which is the blue. And Eternal, which is that gorgeous pink. Yeah, they are all absolutely stunning. And again, look at the labels on the bottles. They are beautiful. Look at those labels, guys. Absolutely stunning they are. Stunning. So let's take a little look at the swatches again. Wow, they are beautiful. Can you see that holo? In some lights, they look more metallic-y, kind of shimmery sort of look. But then in other lights, as the light hits them, you can just see that rainbow effect from the holo. Can you see that on Holo Lover there, look. And it all depends as the light hits them as to what kind of effect you get, and that's what I love about them. They're just so pretty. So there we are, guys. That is everything for today's video. As always, you'll see in the top right hand corner of the screen is my Madam Glam discount code, GG30. If you follow the Madam Glam link in my description box, that will take you over to the website, and then at the checkout enter GG30. That way you'll save 30% off your whole order. Madam Glam do also do a VIP membership as well, so if anyone's interested in finding out any more information about that, again, click the Madam Glam website link in my description box. I'll also put it in the comments as well, just to make it easier for you guys. Head over and you'll find all the information that you need about the VIP membership there. I want to say a massive thank you to Madam Glam for sending me these to try. And also thank you as well for the non-wipe shiny top coat. That is just going to make my life so much easier. So anything for an easy life for me. So yeah, I want to say thank you very much for that too. And yeah, that's everything for today's video. I really hope you liked them. I hope you liked the design. If you enjoyed the video, please remember to give it a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, I'd love it if you would. Don't forget to hit the little notification bell with your notifications turned on. That way you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. And I hope to see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.